Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Sir, I just want to say thank you. You saved my life.
Experience loss and major cost, but I never lost it. So be proud. It's just a sign that I'm still alive. Oh, I've got some scars, but I'm still alive. In spite of so glad I made it. I made it through. I made it through. So glad I made it. So glad I made it. I lost my mind.